Hello guys, in this video you will learn how you can switch between the editing view and the reading view for your notes on Obsidian Notes. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your vault inside the Obsidian Notes application, select the given note, and you can do this for any of your notes open here in the tab. So let me go with this note here. In the top right of the open note you will see this button, and it will show you the current view, which is editing for me. So this will allow me to skip to the next line, add content to that node, edit it, and so on and so forth. If you'd like to block the editing and switch to the reading view, click into this button again. And now, as you can see, guys, I can't do anything here except highlighting, for example, something, but I can't type anything, I can't edit anything because that's the reading mode. And these views can be applied or have to be or need to be applied, for each open node separately. So as you can see, that doesn't affect other nodes you have open in separate tabs, right? So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.